Hello friends, welcome to Blended Learning and Quiz on Python. This is topic 4, functions in Python. So here we'll be learning about functions. So what is a function? A function is a block of statements which is executed when that function is called. So function is written somewhere and that block which is inside that function is executed only when that function is called. Now these are the properties of function in Python. Uh, the function uses a def keyword to get defined. So in Python, we define the function with the help of a def keyword. Then a function can accept any number of arguments in Python. That also we'll see. Then a function can return multiple values in Python. A Python function can return multiple values. So this is an additional thing, but because generally a function in various programming languages like C, C++, and even in Java can return only one value, but in Python a function can return multiple values. Then the code block within function starts with colon and it is indented. So the block of a function is specified with the help of indentation. That also we'll see. So let's see how the function is defined and how it is used. So as we know that a def keyword is used to define a function, then the name of a function, whatever name you want to put, that name should be valid and logical, and then the argument list. So if you are passing any value to a function, that value can be specified over here in the form of argument. So for example, I can have argument 1, argument 2, and so on depending upon whatever value we are going to pass. So suppose we are passing only one value to this function or one argument, then comes the colon and then the block of a code inside the function which is specified with the help of indentation. So we have indentation over here, tab space is there. So now here you can have your function definition. So for example, if say while this given argument value is greater than 0, we'll be simply saying print hello. Python is awesome. And since this is a while statement, this condition variable must be manipulated inside the while loop. So we are going to reduce the value of argument by 1. So arg minus equals to 1. That's all. So function definition is done. Once the function is defined, after its definition, it can be called wherever it is required. So to call a function, we need to simply write the name of a function and then the value which we want to pass. So suppose I am passing 2 and let's make this also as a comment. Let's execute it. So now we have hello Python is awesome, hello Python is awesome. So since you have passed 2, so 2 times it is getting printed. Now suppose I pass 3, so this is printed 3 times. What if I pass 0? Nothing happens because the condition fails. So here if you see, while the argument 1, the passed value is greater than 0, then only we are going to do this. Now your function can return values. So for example, if I have a function, say factorial, which is going to give us a factorial of a given number, so that can be done by making use of a function. So for I in a range 1 to n plus 1. We want a product. So I initialize my factorial f to 1, and inside this for statement we'll be simply saying f equals to f into I, and then here outside my for loop I would say return f. It's all done. And now as a print factorial of I is the function fact, and I'm passing a value I. Let's execute it. So here we have factorial of phi is 120. So here the function is called, fact function is called, the value of I is passed over here, and then it calculates the factorial of a given number and it returns that factorial, and it is displayed over here. So whatever value you are passing, that value factorial would be calculated and it would be simply displayed over here. So this is how you can make use of functions in Python. Thank you very much. We will meet in the next topic.